Oh, I smell it. It smells like spray. Spraying these tires to put it onto it. Yep. First you have to grind all the bad paint off. Then you paint them with bronze. You can't say it. And I like black. This is the Tamron base coat. I'm using like 1 can for tires. Because these cans and those cans and that can. Now the paint is dry, we're putting on a clear coat. Ready? We're also doing the sear caps too. We got 3 done. There's 1 more to go. We just put new tires on the toy. Now we're getting milkshakes. Milkshakes! They're my favorite.
So put the logo back in the steering wheel. See that?
What? I think the tires are pretty on them. It's good. See? We have our milkshakes. Marco, big world, let's travel it. I'm the Banjoe Traveler. Follow us on all adventures by subscribing to the channel. See you out there.